So the most common question I'm asked by my mentees and the people I coach is how to speak more confidently at work. So first and foremost, this here did not happen by accident. It took a lot of trying different things, trying different methods. And I used to think, okay, I have to have the perfect deck. I have to have the perfect presentation. But as it turns out, there's two things that really make a difference. The first thing is make sure that you have all your data points together. So whatever you're talking about, go through, become an expert at it, really break things down very simply, very easily. If you have that, you're gonna be more confident when you speak. The second thing, which is probably the most important thing is that most of the time, you'll be surprised. Most people don't know that much, actually. Like your boss, your CEO, they don't have any idea. You're the one who's doing this. So know that the person on the other side of it actually is looking for you to be an expert on something. It takes the pressure off of you because all you're trying to do is help other people be better and have the information they need to make the right choices.